Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M22 and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this Samsung. Firstly, access settings and scroll down. Now click on lock screen, select screen lock type and pick one of the available ones, pattern, pin or password by tapping on the chosen one. Then enter it, click continue at the bottom right corner, repeat it and click confirm at the same place. Over here you can click on the sweater next to on to turn off or on notifications on your lock screen. After that, tap done. Now choose agree, and if you want to back up your pattern, just log in into your Samsung account. But I didn't want to do that anyway, so now I can turn off my screen, and then when I turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!